been pouring drink for 30 days straight. But this shit getting nostalgic. See my old place. I don't feel like fucking.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
She said, you see that show, you gon' call me. See for sure, baby. I hate that bitch for sure. I'm a bro, it ain't nothing wrong with some drink. Keep it fade, pimpin'. That's how I feel that. Wanna be low, I'm trippin', baby. Got shit televised. Niggas capping, they pulling killers lately. Bitch, boy, stop fake.
Bro, what is going on? Alright, y'all boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV for y'all boys.
We tired of the smooth POV.
As y'all can see by the title, back with another hoodless cat POV. We got my boy Trey, slim body cat. We got my boy Warren, CT4B, Black Wing. Don't forget the Black Wing. We got my boy TJ, stay 1K, SS. We got the Egg Boy, X3M Comp. And then we got the hoodless stolen cat. Just a beauty. But I ain't gonna talk y'all boys' heads off. I'm gonna go ahead and get straight to it.
You hear that brr, you know it's us. The AP glitches sound like thunder. Hit him one time in his eye. Draco shield gon' put you under. We was outside with them Knicks. 30S ain't had no button. 19X up with the back. Call up list, they ain't make it start.
I ain't got the low pulled up, bro. This Whine is like, oh my lord, it's top 3, top 2, top 1. I love being hoodless, bro. Gotta be careful around curves and a cat. Brody asked me if I was gonna be dogging it. I literally said probably not. I hate these bumps. Boy, oh boy. Who Nas feeling like? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Yo, this nigga Nas about to die. Bro, I love hearing another whine that's not mine fly by. What is Warren doing? Yo, seeing Warren move on the highway is killing me, bro. Yo, that boy Nas moving. What's up with all this traffic, bro? This torque is something else, bro. I kid you not. And I feel it even more with less weight on the front. I feel like I'm about to do a wheelie. All this traffic, bro. Like, where is all these people going? Y'all got no business going nowhere. Oh snap, blue lights. Pulled over an Escalade. Yo, so what are these people on? Bro, what is going on? Oh, there go Warren. Warren, get in, brother. Bro, this man Warren is literally blocking a whole lane of traffic right now. There goes State Troop right here. Oh no, oh no. 2 State Troopers just followed that red scat. All right, move. I'm stuck.
I ain't stuck right here. You spinning.
Now, God. Fuck.
We're gonna have to push you backwards.
Bet. I feel like a bot. God damn. Oh yeah. Lowered problems, lowered cat problems, man.
They ain't gonna give it back. Yeah.
I'm weak as hell. We made it in, chat. Meat deep as fuck, boy.
Give me that wine.
Gotcha.
Hours later.
Lip gone, bro. Fuck. My lip is fried, gang. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Niggas trying to cause a wreck, gang. Make sure I put my tag up. 12 not catching me. My lip is fried, though, bro. I heard a huge crunch. My lip is fried. I ain't need to turn my 360 cam on, but it's cool, though, bro. Hey, head to that low. God dang. I can't wait to get pops and veins like that, boy. God damn, that Chrysler. God dang. Bro, it's like a war zone, Warren.
I'm trying to pop a op, you trying to pop a pill. If I can't put you to